skincare lovers. Well, if you just tune into my channel, I want you to stay tuned, because in this channel you're going to learn about cream making, cream reviews, and how to take really good care of your skin, avoiding harsh chemicals. But then again, most of those harsh chemicals can actually transform your skin from my ugly swan skin to this. All right, so please stay tuned, and I love you guys like Kilo Day.
Hello guys, it's Micky. Welcome to my channel. And if you just tuned into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So the book is out. This video is just to show you or tell you that the book is out. All right, some people that have been doubting say, when is the book coming out, when is the book coming out? And some people who have actually pre-ordered, you're getting the book today. I would have done this video yesterday, but you know, now yesterday was my birthday. And for the people that actually wished me a happy birthday, thank you very much. And the ones that prayed for me as well, I also wish you what you wish me. All right, thank you very much for coming out to appreciate me. I know it's not easy. All right, thinking of other people apart from your family. Thank you very much. I am so grateful. And for that, to show my gratitude, people who actually buy creams for me, I'm slashing the price, like taking out 10% out of every cream I mix for you. All right, so there'll be discount sales on it. That will be till the end of January. All right, I would have done it from the beginning of January, but you know, beginning of January is not my birthday. So till the end of January, there's going to be a discount, like 10% discount on all my product I mix myself. All right, any of my product I get to mix. If it's white dot oil, if it's half-cast whitening cream, if it's just whitening cream, lightening cream, toning cream, glowing cream, you actually want just 10% out of it. Facial cream, knuckle sets, stretch mark, sunburn, 5 and 10% will be slashed out of it. All right, so well, as I was saying about the book, you can see that here I have my ISBN number. This actually is my ISBN. I'll bring it closer so you see that's my ISBN number. And also I took my time to appreciate my subscribers. Yes, I did. My acknowledgement went to you guys, so you guys would see that Micky is thinking of you every step of the way. All right, so if you actually got the book from me, you're going to get a signature from me. I'm going to have to sign it for you. I didn't fix my contact in the book because I know people who are buying directly from me are just people who get to contact me. But if I put the book in probably another store or something, I'm going to put my number directly. Right, so the book actually contains oils, ingredients, and we have so many explanations. Started with what is a skin, just to explain the rudiment of what we're talking about. The oils, soaps, facial wash, body scrub, body butter, body polish, facial mask. You know, we have so many things. Base cream in order to make a facial cream. We also have brightening facial cream. We have sunburn. We have treatments for we have stretch mark treatments. All right, how well to treat your stretch mark. We have skin. We have a cream reaction. I think yes, skin reaction treatment. We have that, which is really effective. You get to know the product you use in treating any reaction, ranging from white dots to skin irritation. You understand what I mean? All right, so this is the book. Right, this is the book. It's out. All right, it's a perfect binding. As I said earlier, it's a perfect binding, so you're not going to have any tear whatsoever. And next week we'll start talking about the book. All right, but we're going to do it codedly, so people who didn't get it, who didn't purchase the book, will not have an idea of certain recipe and certain recipe to use. All right, we also have whitening black soap, we have glowing black soap, we have toning black soap. For someone like, I don't really use black soap, all right, but my body rolled well with the glowing black soap. I don't, my body doesn't like black, and I don't like anything black soap, because immediately when you go out now, your boyfriend, what are you using? You're using juju to tie me down. Just joking. All right, and you also have whitening shower gel there. So for people who are like Mickey, that doesn't actually like to use black soap, all right, because the stain and everything, but it's effective. I just don't like the stain, you know, in the bathroom and all that shit. But it's really effective. For the whitening body wash, you can actually just use that. It's also very effective. You get to know product to use, natural product, and additives you get to add into the soap. So for people who have been contacting me saying, oh Mickey, what am I going to add to my body wash? What am I going to add? Well, you can actually just purchase the book. It is affordable, 10,000 naira to purchase a book that contains synthetic and organic. People who have been purchasing my ebook will tell you that synthetic is expensive. I tend to sell synthetic for 150,000. So I actually formulated everything into the book. Whatever is in the ebook is what is still here. All right. So don't be deceived that maybe I omitted some things. I didn't. If I did omit, I would let you know. I'm as blunt as it gets. I will tell you I omitted. All right. So I hope you guys got that information. The book cost 10,000 naira. All right. And I told you guys we were already out of, but now we have more in stock again, because I noticed some people were now making more pre-orders. But I'm really grateful. So people were pre-ordering again. So I told the guy to multiply it. So it was easy for him to do it since the book was with him. So you just had to print more. So come get yours. It's available. It's readily available. All right. Once you get it, it's a book. It's not an ebook. It's a book. So once you get it, to be sent to you. But I want to try and see if I can get it available in some stores, because we know in most of these stores like Amazon, it's an ebook. So I can't sell this as an ebook for the same price. That would be unfair. So I'm thinking of putting it on Okada Books or some other stores. I don't know. But on my website, it is available. So in case you want to get it, you can get it on my website. It's readily available on my website. All right. So if you go to my website, you would immediately go in www.mickyskincare.ng. Immediately go into the website. You will see probably on the home page, you see on top where you get to choose the home, the blog, and the blah, blah, blah. You see books. So just click on the books. You will be able to get this. All right. You'll be able to get this. So that is that. It's actually a hard copy. It's different from the others. The others are ebooks, but this is a hard copy. And also, I'm going to get my ebooks available on Amazon. It used to be on Amazon before, but I didn't like the money I was getting from Amazon because they weren't really calculating my money well. So I would see if the hard copy can be on Amazon or any other bookstores. I would see, because I can't be the only one selling it. All right, if it can be on any other bookstores, I'll just see how to go about it. So it will be easy for people outside the country to be able to get it, if you know what I mean. All right, so I would see you guys some other time. And I love you, love you, love you like Kilode. And people who actually wished me a happy birthday, thank you very much. And my birthday mates, yes, I met 2 of my birthday mates yesterday. A lady that chatted with me, her husband is my birthday mate. All right, so happy birthday in arrears. And also a lady who actually chatted with me before I actually celebrated my birthday yesterday. She's also my birthday mate. So happy birthday in arrears, honey. Happy birthday. All right, better things ahead. All our wishes will come true this year by the grace of God. Lagbar Allah. All right, so I'll see you guys some other time. Bye.